Yesterday, Mercedes-Benz released a brand new software update for all NTG 5.5 navigations. That includes the European region, the North American region, the African Middle East region, and so on. All you need to do is go on mbretrofit.it, set up the USB correctly, plug it into your car, and purchase a code from us, and there you go, you're ready to start using your brand new navigation. However, if you want a more in-depth guide to get this done for yourself, go on mbretrofit.it and scroll through the guides page, go on our YouTube channel and see the guides there, or go on our other social media pages such as Instagram and TikTok. As the developer of MB Retrofit, I need to make sure that my own car has the latest software update for my navigation. So I'm going to bring you with me to upgrade my car's navigation from European V28 to European V29 using this USB stick. With the USB plugged in, we're going to boot up the head unit and it should detect the update USB. With this message, we're going to click on yes. And then you're going to see the software update that is available. So in this case, Europe, we click update and it's going to ask for a license key. This is where once again MB Retrofit comes in clutch, because for a great price you're able to generate a license key in just under 1 minute. Let me show you using my phone. So if we take a look at my phone, I am logged into MB Retrofit and I'm going to click on create new generation. I'm going to paste the VIN of my car. It's going to auto detect all the right information and I'm going to press on create. Once I've paid for the code, I can just click generate code, continue, generate code, and there is the code that I can insert into the car to update it. And there we go, that is all it takes. For a long time now, you would have had to go to the dealer to get the license code yourself, and that includes a pretty hefty price tag. But with our service, mbretrofit.it, you're able to generate a license key for a very good price. And as a matter of fact, the navigation update was released yesterday, on the 22nd of August 2025, and we're publishing this video today after already having support on the website since it came out. It's easier than ever to install the latest version of the navigation into your Mercedes-Benz car. The first thing you need to make sure is that your car supports it. And the way you know is that the navigation is not installed through an SD card. Next, you go on mbretrofit.it, go to the guides page and fill in the form to see the right USB format you are going to need. Each car first of all requires a specific USB drive speed, either USB 2.0 or 3.0, or a specific format such as NTFS or FAT32. With that information, you can then download the Mercedes Download Manager, which you can also find on our website, and create the installation USB. Until now, you are not paying us any money because this is to ensure that your car is able to support the update you're going to install. Once the USB is plugged into your car, if the car prompts you for a license key, you'll know that you've done everything correctly, and so you can go on our website and purchase a code. With that code purchased, you can enter it into the car and there you go, it is updating. It is as easy as that. At MB Retrofit, we pay a lot of attention to detail and we make sure that our website is as fast and as easy to use as possible. And that also relates to one of our other features, car lookups. Most of the time when you get a car, you want to ask the VIN number to look up some information about it. Particularly in Mercedes cars, the SA codes that pretty much include all the options that the car has. However, when you go on standard car lookup websites, you don't really get the information, or at least the most accurate information. Using MB Retrofit's car lookup feature, you're going to see the same exact data a representative at the dealer would see as well. You can see things such as service history, recalls, SA codes, any information about your car, and it only costs 10 euros. However, there's also a very generous free lookup for each car. Since MB Retrofit revolves around generating map codes for your car, whenever you get a map code generated, you'll receive a free premium car lookup. Thank me later. Thanks for watching this video. As a reminder, you can find everything you need on mbretrofit.it. Once again, mbretrofit.it. Thanks for watching.